Hello students, in our last video we had solved exercise 9.1 up to question number 7. Now in this video we will start from question number 8. So question number 8 is fill in the boxes with the correct symbol out of greater, less and equal. And first part of this question is minus 5 upon 7 blank place and 2 upon 3. For solving this part, first we have to compare both the rational number. Without comparing, we cannot decide which number is greater and which number is smaller. So, first we are going to equate their denominator by taking LCM of denominator. LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. Now we are going to convert both the rational number with denominator 21. So first rational number is minus 5 upon 7. We have to convert 7 into 21. For this, we have to multiply its denominator by 3. And if we multiply denominator by 3, we should multiply its numerator also by 3. So, our modified rational number is minus 15 upon 21. In the same way, we also reduce second rational number with denominator 21. For convert 3 into 21, we have to multiply its denominator by 7. If we multiply its denominator by 7, we have to multiply its numerator also by 7. So here we have 14 upon 21. Now we can compare both the rational number. If denominator of both the numbers are equal, then we compare number on the basis of their numerator. Here numerator is minus 15 and 14. As we all know, 14 is greater than minus 15. So 14 upon 21 is greater than minus 15 upon 21. It implies minus 5 upon 7 is less than 14 upon 21. In this way, you can solve rest of the part of this question. Now move to the second question. Our next question is which is greater in each of the following. So we can solve question number 9 as we did question number 8. Both the questions are similar. Next question is write the following rational number in ascending order, and first question is minus 3 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5 and minus 1 upon 5. So students, it is clear from this question that denominator of all the rational number are equal. So we can compare these number on the basis of their numerator. Numerator of first rational number is minus 3, numerator of second rational number is minus 2 and numerator of third rational number is minus 3. Here minus 3 is the smallest number among minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. So first we are going to write minus 3 upon 5. After that we write minus 2 upon 5 which is greater than minus 3 upon 5, and at last we are going to write minus 1 upon 5. This number is greatest among all the rational number. So it is the ascending order for first group of number. Now second part of this question is 1 upon 3, minus 2 upon 9 and minus 4 upon 9. Here we can see that denominator of all the rational number are different from each other. So first we are going to equate their denominator by taking LCM of their denominator. So LCM of 3, 9 and 9 is 9. Now we are going to convert each rational number with denominator 9. First number is 1 upon 3. For making its denominator 9, we have to multiply numerator and denominator of this number by 3. So first number become plus 3 upon 9. Our next rational number is minus 2 upon 9. For making its denominator 9, we have to multiply both of the numerator and denominator by 1. So we have minus 2 upon 9. In the same way, we can write minus 4 upon 9 for the third number. Now we can easily compare this number. So among these three numbers, minus 4 upon 9 is the smallest. After that we can write here minus 2 upon 9 and 3 upon 9 is the greatest number. It implies minus 4 upon 9 is less than minus 2 upon 9 is less than 1 upon 3. In this way you can solve its third part. Now move to second exercise of chapter 9. First question of exercise 9.2 is find the sum, and first part is 5 upon 4 plus minus 11 upon 4. So students, we cannot add any two rational number without equating their denominator. So now you can see here that denominator of both the rational number are equal, so we can easily add them. First, we are going to write 5 plus minus 11 in the numerator portion and 4 in the denominator portion. According to the rules of integer, if one integer is positive, one integer is negative, then we simply subtract both the integers and we put sign of greater number. So if we subtract 5 from 11, we have 6 in the numerator, and as it is clear from the second step that great sign of the greater number is negative, so we can put a negative sign here and denominator is 4. Now we can reduce this number as minus 3 by 4. So it is the solution of the first part of question number 1. Now move to its second part. In the second part, question is 5 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5. As you can see here that both the denominator are different from each other. So first we have to equate denominator of the rational number by taking their LCM. So first we are going to find out LCM of 3 and 5. We have LCM is 15. Now we are going to convert each rational number with denominator 50. First rational number is 3. We have to make 3. We have to convert 3 into 15. So we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 5. So our number reduced to 25 by 15. Our next rational number is 3 upon 5. We have to convert its denominator into 15. So we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator of this number by 3. So we have 9 upon 15. Now we can easily add 25 upon 15 and 9 upon 15. First we write 25 and 9 in the denominator and numerator and 15 in the denominator. Then we simply add 25 and 9. So we have 34 upon 15. It is the solution of the second part. In this way you can solve remaining part of the first question. Now move to its second question. Our next question is 7 upon 24 minus 17 upon